All right, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon, Judge. I apologize, I was on mute.
Okay, no problem. Court will resume with the April 6, 2022 docket. And Ms. Martinez, your case is Giovanna Aguilar, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't see her yet in the waiting room. Let me see here. No, not yet. You want to give her a call?
Yes, sir, if I may.
Okay,
1 second, Judge.
all right. Let me call the almost for the record. Okay, there's other cases, and I think there's several other cases. However, proof of installation of the internet device or mobile or portable device has been shown. So that's why they're not going to make announcements. But anyway, I think they are cost numbers. CR 2113-171D, Ernesto Garcia. CR 2113-653D, Isaías Navarro. CR 2113-854D, Savannah Gonzalez. CR 2114-339D, Edgar Moreno. CR 220049D, Jose Gustavo Chavero. CR 2200-716D, Elizabeth Cavazos. CR 2200-725D, Saida Bentoncourt. CR 2200-734D, Savannah Gonzalez. Oh, that's okay. That's attached to the other case. And then CR 2202-014D, Savannah Gonzalez. Also attached to the first case I called earlier. All of them were called for or were set for hearing for the purpose of showing proof of installation of the interlock device for the portable. And I think all of them have it. So that's why they didn't make any appearance. Yes, Ms. Martinez?
Yes, Judge, I was able to contact her and the indication was that she was trying to log on.
Okay. Okay. And she only has one case?
Yes, sir.
And it'll be a plea?
Yes, sir. She signed up ready to go for a plea.
Okay. Okay, let me see here. Let's see, Miss Aguilar, you need to unmute. If you can unmute. There you go. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Your case, once again, court will resume with the April 6, 2022 docket. Your case is CR 21-13-611D, Giovanna Eunice Aguilar. All right, so Ms. Martinez, it'll be a plea, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everything ready, Mr. Gwynn?
Yes, Judge.
All right, we have here a Class A misdemeanor. First of all, please raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You may put your hand down. Your case, DWI Class A misdemeanor, it carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
yes,
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you are entitled to an appeal, and that you waive those two rights?
yes,
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
no,
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
yes,
And what is your plea, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty?
I'm guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes,
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. State offer plea document and offense report at State Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant right of appeal at State Exhibit 2, Article 39.14, disclosure at State Exhibit 3, waiver of risk and need assessment at State Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate the venue and jurisdiction of the honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence has been filed sufficient to plead guilty.
Your Honor, no objection as to the exhibits, and so agreed and stipulated as to venue and jurisdiction and all other stipulations requested.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged in cause number CR 21-13-611D. Recommendation, state?
Yes, Judge. The state recommend $300 fine, court costs, 1 year Hidalgo County Jail, probate for 14 months, an alcohol course, a defensive driving course, an interlock ignition device, 90 days Texas driver license suspension, and 20 commercial hours.
20 hours. Okay. From the interlock device, it's mandatory because it's a Class A, but it can be for half of the 14 months, right? 7 months?
Yes, Judge.
We'll make the 7 months. Ms. Martinez, is that the understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
$300 fine plus court costs, 1 year in jail, probated for 14 months. The alcohol classes, defensive driving, interlock for 7 months, 90-day suspension of driver license to run concurrent with any administrative suspension. Court will hereby waive the community hours, no community hours. Did you get it, man? Did you understand that, Ms. Aguilar?
yes, give me 1 moment, hold on.
Okay, okay. All right. Did you understand the amount of the judgment, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
Okay, it'll be probation and hopefully you'll be successful with your probation. You have any questions, you contact the probation officer. And anything else, Ms. Martinez?
No, Judge, nothing from me. Does she get to report to the probation officer? How is she gonna do that?
I'll call her right now and I'll give her instructions.
All right, she'll be getting a call right now.
Thank
All
you.
right, and to get further instructions. Thank you all very much. You'll both may be